what a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer your Dogecoin into USDT in Binance. Now for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top crypto trading platform where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And if you guys also want to sign up into Binance, I will leave a referral link in the description which you guys can use to sign up into Binance and get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. And for those people who do not know USDT, USDT is a stable coin whose value is equivalent to $1. It's not going to go up than $1 and not going to go down than that. That's why it's called a stable coin, and Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency. Alright, now with that said, to transfer your Dogecoin to USDT, just sell your Dogecoin for USDT. So how you guys can do that is follow the step. And yeah, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on. So I'm going to be showing you this process, how you guys can do that on Binance app. If you want it for a desktop version, you can comment that down below and I will make it. So once you open your Binance app, just go on trade. And this is the pro version of Binance, so just keep that in mind. Click on this opposite direction, pointing arrow over here. And what you want to do is you want to search for Dogecoin. So when you're searching for Dogecoin, write Doge, D-O-G-E. If you write Dogecoin, nothing is going to be shown over here. Over here, you want to click on Doge/USDT. Basically, what it means is you guys are going to sell your Dogecoin for USDT. It's basically like transferring it into it. And once you do that, you want to go on the sell section. And on the sell section over here, make sure you choose market over here. All right. Now, what market means is you guys are going to sell Dogecoin at its current market value. And over here, enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to sell. And click on sell Doge, and your Dogecoin will be sold for USDT, which means your Dogecoin is transferred into USDT. Well, some amount is going to be taken by Binance as fee. All right. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.